The stadium is evolving fast, and today we're witnessing another major step forward. The focus is once again on the incredible progress, especially the compression ring, which continues to move ahead at an impressive pace. Conditions look perfect, and everything feels set for a key moment. The long-awaited section is ready, and all signs point towards something big happening. The third cantilever is already packed with key structural elements: ring sections, towers, radial beams, and pillars. These components are essential for supporting the future tensile roof, and the structure is becoming clearer with each new addition. At the same time, strong activity is visible across platforms and beam areas, with teams focused on positioning and final checks. Additional towers and new ring sections are also ready, pushing the project steadily forward. A massive compression ring section is lifted into place, marking a key milestone in the construction process. This is one of the largest sections installed so far, and its placement is crucial for the structural balance of the roof system. The lift is executed smoothly, reflecting the precision and coordination of the construction teams. Beyond the lift, progress continues across multiple areas of the stadium. The third tier is nearing completion, with only minimal work remaining. Structural adjustments and finishing elements are being refined across the site. The full roof structure is expected to be completed by 2027, marking a key milestone in the overall project timeline. The stadium is now clearly beginning to match its original design vision. The VIP ring is advancing rapidly and remains a priority area. Interior work is underway, including wall divisions, plasterboard installation, and preparation for key functional spaces. This section plays a major role in both the structure and the future operations of the stadium. In the core zones, protective layers are being removed, and surfaces are being prepared for the next phase. Work on elevator systems is expected to follow, while painting and finishing tasks continue on structural beams. Active platforms and equipment across the site reflect continuous and coordinated progress. On the lateral side, additional compression ring sections are positioned and ready for installation. Groundworks and surface preparation are also ongoing in surrounding areas, supporting overall site development. At the upper levels, the third tier is almost complete. Some sections still require finishing, but the overall structure is now largely in place. Work is focused on joints, sealing, and detail refinement. Clear signs of final stage construction are visible, indicating steady progress toward completion. The team is hard at work with the tower crane and platforms moving heavy loads. Every bolt is being carefully checked. The scale here is impressive. The compression ring alone is massive, and the coordination is flawless. From the trenches, we see materials being unloaded and lifted. Platforms are busy moving pieces, and supervisors make sure everything is safe and precise. Workers secure each bolt and assemble sections of the compression ring. Some pieces weigh over 40 tons, connecting the upper and lower circles. It's physically demanding work done with precision. We've arrived at the ramp, and it's amazing to see how fast things are moving. Trucks have been non-stop delivering soil, and now about 60% of the ramp is filled. At the north goal section, ceramic slats are now being installed. Installation starts on the left side and moves to the right. The superstructure is beginning to look fully clad. Panel units on the cores are also being installed, while debris is constantly cleared from the area. Important materials for VIP areas are observed, still unopened. Painting continues on the beams, with putty applied where needed. Anchors on the superstructure are carefully checked, and each platform applies treatments with attention to detail. Old asphalt and sidewalks are being removed, preparing the ground for new drainage and access to future stadium zones. Cleaning and preparation are ongoing to ensure everything is ready for upcoming events. From the hilltop and observation points, you can see the progress of platforms, anchors, and beam treatments. The grandstand area is almost complete, and the stadium is advancing quickly. Thank you for joining us on today's stadium tour. If you want to follow every detail of the stadium transformation, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss any updates.